Sir, VUL po ba yung type ng insurance sa BPI-AIA na MedLife Protect Plus? Yearly, nagbabago yung premium na binabayaran pero yung value na insured ako fixed lang. Okay, so I think yung MedLife Protect Plus ng BPI is the same as our AIA Med Assist dito sa AIA Direct. So, ito yung mainly kinukuha mo yung health card, di ba? Tapos may naka-attach na life insurance and some other riders. So, yes, fixed lang yung coverage mo, no? Yung life insurance na nakuha mo, yun na yun. And then, may health card coverage ka. Sa ngayon, up to 750,000 a year. So, malaki yung coverage niya. Kaya lang pang inpatient lang, no? Yung outpatient niya is only if related to confinement. Tapos may annual physical exam na yung mga bagong plans ngayon starting last year. Alright? Pero kaya siya nag-i-increase yung premium every year because it's yung health card. The health card rider or component, nag-i-increase siya ng premium as we age. Because, of course, in anticipation na kapag nagamit mo, di ba, ang hirap naman kung hindi mag-i-increase ng premium. Meron tayong malaking utilization. Ang laki ng 750,000 na mako-cover. So, ang advantage lang nito is that predetermined na yung increase niya. Kung nagagamit mo yung card, maganda siya. Kasi kahit may utilization ka, ang increase niya lang mga 1, 2,000, 5,000 per year compared to potentially half of the premium yung madadagdag kung malaki yung utilization mo from a normal health card, no, na especially if you get it as an individual. Meron din kami sa Medicard niyan, which is also owned by AIA. So, may binabagayan, no? So, kung may company kayo, provided yung health card mo, then well and good, maganda yon. Pero if you're a freelancer or a business owner, then probably you can get either a Medicard plan or yung AIA Med Assist na health card na merong life insurance. So yes, nagtataas talaga yung premium niyan every year because what you're paying for is the health card. Alright, nag-i-increase yung premium niyan. Yung life insurance, stick yan. Kaya yung life insurance coverage mo, fixed lang din yan. Hindi yan nagtataas. Alright? So yun po yun. Now, since VUL yan, pag medyo nakatagal ka, like 10 years or more ka nagbabayad, and in case you decided to stop your payment, may mali siya na account value. Hindi siya investment. No? Again, ang VUL is not an investment. Pero, at least, just in case, no, natapos ka magbayad, hindi tapon lahat ng binayad mo. Meron kang makukuha parang sukli as in the form of account value of your VUL. In this case, sa BPI MedLife Protect Plus, sa AIA, AIA Med Assist.